Hi friends, this is my YouTube channel Think Max. If you like my videos, just show your support by subscribing to this channel and hit the bell button so that you get the notification whenever I upload my videos. So these are the playlist in my channel. So if you want, you can check out the playlist. So there are some playlists on Class 10 Max, Chapter 9, some applications of trigonometry, and you have all the playlist for sample question paper, and this is the playlist for introduction to trigonometry. In the same way, there are playlist for each chapter for Class 10 Max, and also there is a playlist for Math Olympiad questions. So if you want, you can check the playlist. Thank you. This is Class 10 Max Circles. We are dealing with exercise 10.2 question number 7. Two concentric circles are of radii 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. So here it is given that two concentric circles. So what do you mean by concentric circle? Concentric circle means there will be more circles with same center. So here it is given two concentric circles. So center will be same for both the circles. Their radii will be different. So two concentric circles of radii 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. So bigger circle will have radii 5 centimeter. Smaller circle will have radii 3 centimeter. So this circle has radii 3 centimeter. So and the bigger circle has radius 5 centimeter. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. So this larger circle, so let us name this smaller circle as C1 and larger circle as C2. So larger circle C2 has a chord which touches the smaller circle. So let me draw the chord. What do you mean by chord? So chord will not pass through the center. So it will not pass through the center and it will touch the circle at 2 points. So now AB is the chord. So it touches the small circle C1 at P. Now what do we have? Two concentric circle of radii 5 centimeter. So the bigger circle will have radii 5 centimeter. So center is O. So from the center to the point on a circle, it is the radius. So OA will be 5 centimeter. Also OB will be 5 centimeter. Next, smaller circle has radius 3 centimeter. What we can do? We can join OP. So O is the center, P is a point on the small circle. So this OP will be 3 centimeter. Okay. Now we have a triangle now. So let us write what all given. We have C1 is the small circle and C2 is the larger circle. So radius 5 centimeter. That means O is the center of C1 and C2. AB will be the chord of larger circle C2. Since AB touches the small circle C1 at one point, this AB will be tangent to C1. So that means AB is tangent to C1 at point of contact P. So it touches the small circle. So AB will be the tangent to C1. So these are the data given. Then radius is given. That means OA is equal to OB is equal to 5 centimeter. OP is equal to 3 centimeter. So these are the data given. Now what we have? AB is the tangent and OP is the radius. So what is the relationship between radius and tangent? So radius and tangent are perpendicular at point of contact. That means this angle will be 90 degree. Also this angle will be 90 degree. Now we can write OP perpendicular to AB. This is because radius and tangent are perpendicular at point of contact P. So this is from theorem 10.1. which we have studied in the previous videos. So since OP is perpendicular to AB, we have angle OPA is equal to 90 degree. The same 90 degrees is equal to OPB. Now what we can do, we have to find out the length of the chord AB. So we cannot find the full length. What we are going to do, we are going to find the length AP from one right angle triangle. So there are two ways to find the length of the chord. What we can do, we can find out AP from this right angle triangle and PB from this right angle triangle. Or we can find AP from one right angle triangle, and in the next step we can show these two triangles are congruent. So what will happen? AP will be equal to PB. Then AP value will be equal to PB value. So if we add both the values, we will get AB. Okay. So now I am going to find out the value of AP from this right angle. So in triangle OPA. So this is 90 degree. So hypotenuse side is OA. So OA square by PGT, OA square equal to OP square plus PA square. So what is OA? OA is 5 square, OP is 3 square plus PA square. So 5 square is 25, OP square is 3 square, 3 square is 9 plus PA square. So 25 plus 9 will become minus 9 equal to PA square. So PA square will be equal to 25 minus 9, it is 60. So taking square root, this power 2 and square root gets cancelled. PA will be equal to square root of 16 is 4. So PA is 4 centimeter. Okay children. Now we got this value. In the same method you can get PB and add both the values. So this is one of the method. Now I am going to follow congruency relation. So I am going to take the triangle OAP and OBP. So in triangle OAP and triangle OBP. What are the things we have? We have angle OPA equal to OPB because both are 90 degree. Both 90 degree. That is right angle. Now OA is the radius and OB is the radius of the same circle C2. So OA equal to OB. So radius of same circle, larger circle C2. Next OP. OP is common for both. So OP equal to OP. So this is common. So we have right angle, hypotenuse side is equal and a side is equal. So what we can say by right hypotenuse side criteria, we can say triangle OPA congruent to triangle OPB. So what will happen? This PA will be equal to PB by CPCT, which we have studied in 9th standard. So PA is equal to PB by CPCT. Okay, so we got PA and PB are equal. So what is AB? What we have to find? We have to find length of the chord. So let me continue here. Length of the chord AB. Length of the chord AB is equal to, AB can be written as PA plus PB. PA plus PB. I'm sorry, PA plus PB. PA plus PB is equal to PA. So what is PA? PA we found as 4. So it is 4 plus 4 equal to 8 centimeter. So easy. Okay children, do you understand? Thank you.